Welcome back. Today we are diving into the top 5 absolute best Rotary Encoder module pack for DIY controls you can get right now. Let's count them down. Number 5, the 1/3 PCS 360 degrees Rotary Encoder Module Rotary Potentiometer Analog Knob Module KY040RV09 Rotary Encoder EC11 Knob Cap. This item has sold over 4,992 times with a 5-star rating. Only 74 cents. Number 4, the KY040 360 degrees Rotary Encoder Switch Module Brick Sensor Switch Development KY040 Potentiometer Knob Kit for Arduino. This item has sold over 4,393 times with a 4.8-star rating. Now at 85% off, just $1.49. Number 3, the 1-8 PCS KY040 360 degrees Rotary Encoder Module with Knob Cap 5V Brick Sensor Switch Development Board Module for Arduino. This item has sold over 3,960 times with a 4.7-star rating. Now at 52% off, just $22.33. Number 2, the 2 PCS Rotary Encoder Module for Arduino Brick Sensor Development Round Audio Rotating Potentiometer Knob Cap EC11. This item has sold over 3,917 times with a 5-star rating. Now at 50% off, just $28.16. And finally, our top pick at number 1, the 1/5/10 PCS KY040 360 degrees Rotary Encoder Module Brick Sensor Switch Development Board for Arduino with pins half shaft. This item has sold over 3,681 times with a 4.8-star rating. Now at 67% off, just $20.34. Check the links in the description box to lock in these discounted prices. Don't forget to like and subscribe.